Hey YouTube, it's time to install this lift kit I got from, I bought it through Quadratech. They had free shipping. I was going to get it out of Zone, straight from Zone. Got it for the same price, but they're going to charge you about $100 shipping to get it here, so I ended up getting it from Quadratech, sorry, Hydrotech. Quadratech. So anyway, start from here. Here's the coil springs. They look quite a bit heavier than the old ones. The lower control arms, they're non-adjustable. Here's some bump stops. I guess I'm supposed to install or drill a hole in and then put a bolt through here, I think. Therefore, I can't seem to find the bolts for that, but anyway. Here are the links. Stabilizer bar links, is that be right? Sway bar links. I'm sorry, sway bar links. One thing I did forget to take out was my shock for the front, or the steering stabilizer shock. So there you got the start of the leaf springs. This one here, I'm not sure. I think this one is rear, might be front, hard to say. We'll have to look in the directions and see which one is which. But here is the transfer case spacers. Some bolts that came with it, nuts for the U-bolts. This is a drop-down bracket for the brake, rear brake. I am not exactly sure what this is. I have no idea what this is, so I have to see what that, figure out what that is supposed to do. Grease zerks, before I take it, right here. Shocks, the front shock, rear shock. These are the ones I'm a little concerned about, busting the bolts off. I don't really care about all these other ones I can get to. That one is a little bit difficult, but I did buy the flag nut kit for it. Here are the bushings for that. Here are the all the polyethylene bushings. Here are the sleeves for those. Here are the U-bolts for the Dana 35 axle. I guess I'm kind of all over the place here, but anyway. Here are the brackets for the sway bar. Like I say, that's got me puzzled, I guess, what that is. I'm going to start over here. This, I got a track bar. This thing is really heavy built. If you look at my finger here, you can see how well built that is. Front stainless steel brake lines, rear brake line. They have the locator kit, or the kit on there, and you're supposed to actually relocate the front brake lines, but I decided to go with new ones. At 131,000 is probably time anyway. Here, 2 in a pack. Actual genuine Mopar for the spring shackles. think I'll use them. I'll put them in. They were kind of expensive, about almost $8 a bolt. Here's the flag nuts. This is a little bit confusing. I'm not sure if this is going to actually reach or not, but I guess that is correct. Try to do this with one hand. There you go. That's in case I strip the bolts off, and I can actually put these up above in there. See how that works? Nothing like being prepared, right? So there we go. That's pretty much it. I sent my tires in. I already put one of my wheels on here just to see if it'd clear everything, and it was fine. So I'm going to start shooting video on putting this together. Hopefully I have it done by Monday. I'm starting on Wednesday here, and yeah, I can work afternoons and evenings on the project, and that's what I'm going to probably do. So, let's see what happens here. Thanks for watching. This will be fun. Bye.